width can be afforded by Shoaib Akhtar because of his pace.
Now this is going to be out. This is a poor stroke. And it is a good piece of bowling. The fill-in captain, Craig McMillan, with Stephen Fleming back at the hotel, not feeling so great, has not helped his team. McMillan. Jacob Oram, the big left-hander, bowls right hand, medium pace, and he's got a great strike rate in terms of batting. That's just a cracker. Well, you can see the celebration happening here at the National Stadium, and rightly so, because this is a ripper. The classic Yorker from Shoaib Akhtar and Jake Oram, all 6'6" of them. Got to get the bat down a bit earlier than that, pal.
Well, he never looked really comfortable, Oram. He's trapped in the crease for almost every decision.
Robbie Hart is the new man in. Mr. Bishop and I are smiling. Well, that was a little bit too quick first up for Robbie Hart. Just to get that straight. Cranking up to 100. Getting there, aren't we, Ian?
Just has 2 slips. And I think it's just a matter of survival now for Hart. Gully may not go astray.
It's off the glove and gone. Will be given. The umpire's finger goes up. He almost wanted to walk a rather apologetic frame of Robbie Hart. You can't blame him. He's had that shorter one just the previous delivery. But this one actually wasn't really above shoulder height. It was a cracker. Nip back at pace. Not a lot else Robbie Hart could do.
Yes, got him this time. Making room, and that you, I'm afraid, can't do against the quality and pace of Shoaib Akhtar.
Well, it was only a matter of time, wasn't it? The quick Yorker on the stumps. It may not have been a Yorker, but it was way up there in the block hole. It might have wrecked the stump too as well. I know what it did. It wrecked his aspirations of any tail-end wag. So the 8th wicket down, 92 runs on the board. This is how it happened. Full and quick. Gives himself a bit of room, and the stump gets broken too as well. 92 for 8.
7th over. Things have been meandering along a bit, and perhaps picked up 1 or 2 wickets. But he doesn't worry about this, because this is another one on target. That is a cracker. Just had the feeling it was always going to happen with Walker. But tentative to get forward, and you can't blame Walker. That is a ripper. Just started to hug back into the right-handers off stump, as Amir Sahel had.
Keeper. Look at that. 5 wickets. Runs per over, 1.592. There it is. Number 6. And these are the best bowling figures at National Stadium, Karachi. And the Pakistanis, they have won the first one-day international against the New Zealanders very comprehensively and very easily.
Richard Lockwood, statistician extraordinaire, has jumped out of his chair, because it's not only the best figures here on the ground, he's taken that back off Wasim Akram, but it's the best figures ever by a Pakistani bowler against New Zealand. Congratulations, Pakistan, and especially to Shoaib Akhtar.
National Stadium, Karachi. Pakistan have won.